Welcome to my general fitness, low impact postnatal series where you will only need a dumbbell and a mat. You don't need your dumbbells today, but I do recommend having completed my postnatal core restore series, which you can access down below in the description. It includes 8 sessions that help rebuild your core post-baby. Other than that, if your space is clear and your water's full, let's get started.
I don't know what you do to me. Oh yeah, my mind is ready to explode. Cause you will never let me sleep, never let me sleep. I'm running out of ways to save my soul. So maybe I should give in to your boy. Oh, what am I supposed to do? Ignore my heart and cut you out. What am I supposed to do? You're in too deep. What am I supposed to do? I've asked myself 1,000 times. What am I supposed to do? You're in too deep. We're sitting on a pot of gold. But don't know how to get inside. Oh no, our weight is pulling both of us down oh so low. We don't know how to get it right. I can't decide if I should let you go. My heart is saying yes, but then my mind is saying no. I'm running out of ways to save my soul. So maybe I should give in to your boy. Oh. What am I supposed to do? Ignore my heart and cut you out. What am I supposed to do? You're in too deep. What am I supposed to do? I've asked myself 1,000 times. What am I supposed to do? You're in too deep. What am I supposed to do? Ignore my heart and cut you out. What am I supposed to do? You're in too deep. What am I supposed to do? I've asked myself 1,000 times. What am I supposed to do? You're in too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. You're in too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Oh.
You're keeping me on. Yeah, I'm strapped in, stuck in a song you can't turn off. Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you up and about. I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor. Late nights getting deep like we're on our own run. Got the words though, 'cause we're so young. as hell was. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting dipping like we're on our own run. Got the words now, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words, no, we were so young. But now you're long, long gone. You're so moved on. Yeah, now you're long, long gone. You're so moved on. Now you're long gone. You're so moved on. But still I hear that song. It lingers on. Yeah, it lingers on. Now you're long gone. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late nights getting dipping like we're on our own run. Got the words now, 'cause we're so young. But now you're long, long. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words, no, we were so young. Now you're long gone. You were tall, I looked up from where I sat, wished I wouldn't dressed up. Your first line, won't forget. So is it true, no one's taking you yet? I remember people staring as we stepped outside. They had only one goal, get me off of your mind. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one middle finger and the door shut. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them, standing stronger than them, letting think we are crazy. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. You still amaze me. Now that we've come so far, they're going nuts about how happy we are. See the bond that we made. It all seems real now that I'm not afraid. And we really got them. Yeah, we sure did write it out. 'Cause we have each other. That's what it's all about. I was no good, they said. You could do much better, but you gave them one middle finger and the door shut. 'Cause I know we are real as can be. Although we stick to each other, we're free. We still dream of what we could be. You still amaze me. Us lasting longer than them,
right, we're done. Short and sweet, but we're doing important work post-baby. If you enjoyed this workout, please like and subscribe. There is much more to come in this series, so I hope to see you there.